Let's make your Windows 11 computer faster. Our first tip is simple uninstall programs you don't need. With a new computer or when you install Windows 11, additional programs are installed. You may not need or want these. Also, Windows 11 may have programs you will never use. These programs can sometimes make your computer slower. Let's get down to uninstalling these programs. And before I forget, after uninstalling, I have a little bonus tip. If you follow this how to, please leave a comment if it was easy to follow. The first thing we are going to do is open settings. To do this, click on the start button and then click on the gear icon. You can also right click on the start button from the menu that pops up. Click on settings. If the settings window is open, you will see on the left side the menu. Search in this menu for apps. Once you have clicked, the apps window will open. In this window, click on Installed Apps. A new window will open, and in this window you will see a list of all programs installed on your computer. Go through the list of programs, and if you want to remove a program, click on the right side on the three dots. A small submenu will open. Choose Uninstall. You have to confirm to remove the program. This way, you can remove all programs that are unnecessary. Now, the bonus tip. In your Start menu, you may see icons for games or programs that are not actually installed, and they will be installed if you click on the icon. You can quickly remove them by right-clicking on the icon. A submenu will appear and choose Uninstall from here. Just confirm and the icon will be removed from the Start menu. Make time to remove programs you don't need. It's a good first step to make your computer faster.